Hello guys, this is a caprice Holden car, Australian car. Customer complaint the car is not crank the engine and no chicken engine light is coming in the cluster. No engine light. When I crank the engine, no nothing, anything. The engine is not cranking and no start. When I put a scanner, the scanner does not work because of the no check engine light. Data line is not active, can high and can low. When I disconnect, sometimes the PCM wire, this is the PCM engine control module mounted in the engine, front of the engine. Sometimes it can be start, sometimes not. This time no start. No check engine light again. Sometimes disconnect the PCM wire. Now we check the fuses, all the fuse. Is good. This fuse is good, okay. Now we take the engine control relay. This is the starter relay. Okay, that was the starter relay. And now we check the engine control relay. If the engine control relay is good, we check another option to see where is the problem. Data line may be short. If power and ground is good, problem in the data line. This is the engine relay. Power is good in the engine relay. Now we check the control side of the relay. You see the relay kick sound. Relay is good working. Power and ground is good in the relay. We also disconnect ABS computer, ABS module. We check this is the fuse driver side. We check whole fuse from the system. If the fuse, every fuse is good. Then we disconnect the ABS computer and see the data line may be short in the ABS computer. This fuse is good. This is the ABS computer. I disconnect. The same thing. Now we open the BCM. Maybe problem in the BCM. Sometimes water up the AC. You see this BCM is short. Problem in the BCM. Fire. The BCM is fire. The connector cannot be opened because everything is damaged. Thank you for watching.